Hello, and welcome to Family Food, the gluten-free edition. My name is Miss Kristin, and I'd like to share with you some delicious back-to-school gluten-free lunch ideas. Wraps are a fun, simple lunch anyone can make with the help of a grown-up friend. Many lunch wraps contain gluten, but today I'm going to share with you a recipe for a wrap that is gluten-free. I will also demonstrate how to make mouth-watering, no-bake brownie bites because no school lunch is complete without a delicious dessert or treat.
The ingredients that you will need for the gluten-free wraps are 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of tapioca flour, 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. We're going to start by putting all of the ingredients into one mixing container. I'll start with the eggs. Then the butter, and the salt. We'll give it a mix, and then we'll add our flours. I think that looks good. We'll add our tapioca flour and our coconut flour. Mix it all together, and then we have to let it sit for 10 minutes. All right, so once our batter has had a chance to sit, we're going to go ahead and use either a griddle or a frying pan to cook our wraps. I'm going to pour it onto my griddle. Try to keep it in a circular shape. Here are the wraps cooking. Here are some different spreads that we're going to add. The first wrap I'm going to show you is a strawberry and cream cheese wrap. Start by spreading your cream cheese on the wrap. Once you've got it on there, you're going to go ahead and add your strawberries. Excellent. All right, so now we're going to add our strawberries. Who doesn't love fresh strawberries? They're delicious. Mixed with cream cheese, yum. Whoa, I'm throwing strawberries. All right. We got our strawberries, we got our cream cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it up. And there you are, a delicious strawberry and cream cheese lunch wrap. Now, our second lunch wrap is going to be peanut butter with apple slices. You can go ahead and spread that peanut butter on there. Then we will add our apple slices. And we're going to go ahead and roll that up. Oh, I'm going to make sure the apple slices are all facing the same direction. That way it rolls. There we go. And there's our second gluten-free lunch wrap idea. Peanut butter with apples. Yum. And my third idea today is I mix some cream cheese in with some ranch dressing. If you and your kids enjoy vegetables, they're going to enjoy this one. We're going to add that ranch dressing cream cheese spread to the wrap, and then we'll top with some cucumbers and some carrots for a delicious, healthy, gluten-free lunch. There you have it, 3 delicious lunch wrap ideas for our gluten-free friends. All right, now it's time for the fun part. We are going to make gluten-free, no-bake brownie bites. Our ingredients are 3/4 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. We have a teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There's also sprinkles to roll the no-bake brownie bites in, or you could use shredded coconut. And we'll get started. All right, here goes the flour, coconut flour. Now I'm gonna pour in the cocoa powder. Smells good. And next I'll add the maple syrup. the salt, and the vanilla. And we'll get that all mixed up together. There we go. Looks like some delicious brownie dough. It smells good too. All right, got that all mixed up. And now I'm going to use my hands to roll the brownie into bite-sized balls, like this. And then I'm going to roll it in the coconut flour, where we have a delicious gluten-free brownie bite. And then we can roll it in the sprinkles. All right, and do one more coconut, because I love coconut. I think it's delicious. We will have a new family food each month. Thank you for watching. There's our gluten-free brownie bites. Yum.
Check kids.cmclibrary.org for a complete list of ingredients and the recipes that you saw on today's family food.